This video is about the most convenient and inexpensive way to carry a 15-gallon fuel reserve. Everywhere we roam, people ask us about that red tank on our roof rack. Folks usually guess it's compressed air or CO2. Actually, it's a DOT and UN approved 15-gallon fuel reserve. You see, I grew up in Utah using jerry cans to carry our extra gas. I know they can be hard on my back and a great way to slosh fuel on the ground, my rig, or my feet. This tank costs less than the 3 jerry cans and way less than the 4 Rotopax it would take to carry the same amount of fuel. Watch how easy it is to transfer the reserve into our main tank, then I'll show you exactly how we set it up. I didn't show myself opening the vent on the top of the fuel cap on the tank because I don't normally do that at first. Normally the tank gets some pressure in it built up from heat, so I use that to my advantage to increase the flow, and then once it slows down, I'll step up and open the vent on the top of the cap. While I finish putting away the hose and the ground wire, let's take a look at what came with the tank originally. This system is manufactured by John Dow Industries, and I purchased it through Northern Tools on sale. It came with a hose, ground wire, and a gate valve. I added a quick connect to the ground wire and a cam lock quick connect to the hose. I also added some stickers, gasoline only, and the DOT flammable liquid, and the UN gasoline number. I replaced the gate valve with a lockable ball valve, added the cam lock fitting, and an extension. I fabricated a couple of mounting brackets by bending some bar stock and drilling it so that I could attach the tank to my roof rack. All that's left to do now is to mount the tank to our roof rack. In a separate video, I show how to make these crossbars for less than $40 a pair. I can easily reach the fill cap on the tank by standing up in this side door rocker. Don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss anything in the future. And as always, arrive safe and leave clean.